Okay, I'm in Changi Airport in Singapore now. Just at the transfer point between the flight from Heathrow to Singapore and Singapore to Melbourne. Doesn't leave till I think about an hour and a half at least. I can't see any food courts near where I am, and it's a fair distance away to go back to any of those areas. But in front of me there are 3 vending machines. The one on the left is like microwave meals, the middle one is cold drinks, and the one on the right is hot drinks. I think I'll just start with coffee for now. I'm a little bit hungry but don't have a super appetite, so I think the coffee will do nicely for now. That's my luggage there on the right. So let's follow this 5-step instruction. Select drink. Let's have a latte. Select sweetness level. Yep, normal, that's fine. Select payment option. Would be this one, wouldn't it? How do you select the payment method? Oh, by credit card. Yep. Please put the credit card close to the machine. Okay. Okay, it's processing. Hope that was okay. What now? What happened? Did it work? Still says please put the card close to the machine. Tap and hold until you see 4 green lights. Oh, maybe I didn't wait just a sec. Okay, that's better. The 4 green lights lit up and there was a beeping noise. So hopefully that's good. Open to collect. Is it real? Is it ready already? I think they're still making it. I can't open it as yet.
Here, case.
All right, yeah.
Okay,
Oh, good. Oh, right. There you can take cash. Okay. Have you made your selection? Yeah, select what you want and then pay.
I won't choose.
Okay, yeah. How do I open this? I've paid, but
Here,
things
choose.
happening.
Now have case.
Yeah. It's weird. I paid, but nothing's happening. I can't even see a cup there. It says I've paid, but nothing's happening. Yeah. It's weird. I might have to call this number. I've made a payment, but nothing's happening.